Okay, guys, we're back on the charts. It's about to hit 8:33. We're back on demo as well, just to get into the flow of things. I was trying things out with evals, but last week it didn't turn out too good. But or not last week, 2 weeks ago, and then last week I did end up trading because first half of the week my sleep schedule was just messed up, and then I got sick, and then I just didn't feel like I just wanted to sleep in so I could just recover instead of trade. So now we're back at it. Um, but yeah, we're gonna be. Oh wait, hold on. Let me change this as this. But yeah, different approach. I think a lot of these trades, I just gotta. Well, I still gotta work with just like knowing the right conditions and when to trade. I think I'm still guessing a lot, and don't really know how to enter too well still. But I mean that's kind of expected. I've only been trading this for like a week or two. So I think I just need to still build up a bit more experience. But um, on demo, I'm not gonna be too afraid to enter. I think I'll just just be trying trades just because it doesn't matter as much. Like I was the first week when I was on demo, and just see how things play out, and then really analyze the video back over as well, and see kind of how what trades kind of worked and what didn't, and what situations. But yeah. Mm. Could very well be in this range. Maybe I'll just take a short, see how that feels. I wonder if this is consolidation. So if this plays out, that'll be good. If it doesn't, well, no. Nice. Maybe same thing. If we kind of get it back up over here, maybe I'll take another short. Or I could. Not right now. Just because we're still at the bottom of this range, so taking a short, it wouldn't be too big of a move, maybe. Kind of just looking for retraces back to the upside so I can maybe take some shorts back down. As long as we kind of just stay underneath these highs, because it kind of just shows a bit of a direction kind of going down. Because taking longs, I think, would just be a bit riskier in this situation. Well, one, because we're going down, so we're just going against the trend. But two, if we did start making legs up, it would be kind of hard to tell when the pullback would end, because it could just be a one candle pullback and then easier to catch downs again, or the pullback could be all the way up here, or we could push back up here, then want to go back into these ranges. So longs isn't too optimal. I say that, but maybe now I kind of want to catch it because we got some candle movements, but I don't want to go against what I just said. I mean, this demo. Let me put a mental order. So if we get like down here, then it wouldn't have played out. If we get up here, then longs would have been nice. All right, looks like we're still just kind of staying in this smaller range. That's one thing too. I have to kind of get used to maybe just changing sizes as I trade. So I mean, I could maybe just instead of I'm still kind of taking these like bigger move trades. Maybe if I can just play around in ranges like these with like really small sizes, that could also be the move. Let me see. Maybe a long opportunity here. Just really small move. Let's see if that works. Nice. Seen kind of this consolidation range, so we could take maybe these really small trades. This consolidation range. I think one thing too. I was kind of just looking at some older videos and kind of seeing market movements, and I think I determined these as consolidations, and I think these moves are just way too big to really consider as consolidation. It's kind of like, very big. Like it's somewhat directional. I think it is kind of in between, but you're having these bigger moves and then just going down and all that. This is would be like true consolidation. I think these are just really small trades, kind of like doing the very small bracket sizes. So I think I kind of need to understand the terms a little, or like the get more familiar with the categories a bit more. Because in this situation, it's like we're not really consolidating because we're going past these ranges, and these are really bigger moves with a lot of these candles following. I think this is more of that category because we're kind of just getting one. That's kind of late to enter now. I was looking, but yeah, we're kind of getting these very small movements. Nice. And I actually do think I would prefer like just looking at Iman and how he trades with this strategy is looking at the video that he or some of the videos he made, and I do think this is like way easier price action to trade, just because I think with this you're like really like taking, you don't know when how long the move is gonna be. Like some candles are gonna be way bigger, and then some are gonna be only like, yeah, these are 9 on ATR, and then these will be like 20, and then kind of like that, and you don't really know maybe when it'll turn around and pivot and back and forth. Like this is actually really easy to play with. I feel like um just because you can kind of enter and then like follow at least the top or bottom. This is playing right. Okay. First loss. So I think I took 3 winning trades, and this was just my first loss right here. Oh, okay. Now we're moving up a bit. Was my ATR too small? I didn't think so. All right. Now we're getting into consolidation ranges, and I think this is where I gotta adapt. Maybe open up the size a bit. But maybe this is just a one-off candle to get up here, so no reason to enter a trade right now. And following my rules, we got about 7 more minutes. trade till 850. But maybe I do wanna. Well, today I don't know if I want to do this today, but thinking about trading just longer because I think like during those times, like if I do kind of like these ranges, like trading past that time because I feel like it slows down. I want to kind of see like trading different times too. Like I wonder um if Asian session or London session might be nice. So I might, just because I'm in demo, I might just drop another video today. Maybe if I'm on Asian session, London session's gonna be difficult because that's gonna be at like 2 a.m. my time, and then I would have to wake up at like 8:30, 8:15 still. Um, so I'd get like no sleep. So I think I would have to just choose. Maybe this week I want to do London session or whatnot. I might do like PM New York PM as well, and just see all these different times. See what's best over here. Looking at some shorts, it's a bit late now, but I think I do want to switch to micros too. I just feel like the micro charts, like their movement, I don't like a bit. Like even though they should mimic each other, like micros, Nasdaq is still just like a little bit different, and I feel like the Nasdaq, it's like the original, is still has like better candle movements. But I say that so I can like be more precise, because if I'm gonna be trading like different bracket sizes, my risk size is gonna be different too. I kind of just want to stay maybe like precisely like $100-$200 risk instead of just doing one mini for all different bracket size. I don't know if it's a like viable, like I guess viable strategy to kind of look at these older movements. Like I don't know if those would really play a correlation. Um, but I was looking just kind of like at the buys because of this, because I was thinking about this range. But I think this might be just looking too far back. Whereas like yeah, look now we're already. I think I need to just look more so like right now. We're being directional. We can very well just this doesn't really matter to us. I think as much. Maybe something to take in consideration, but not as like a big essence to just know to buy when there's really nothing telling us. So I wonder if I should take a directional trade. Well, now we're making moves up. I was like maybe I'll go short. That's the thing. On the evals last week, I was trading just whenever I could and doing these big trades and multiple trades. And now on demo, I mean, obviously, because it doesn't really matter, so I don't really care to trade as much. I'm kind of just watching it, taking some mental notes, and trading smarter. I think if I could just do those on evals, it'd be good. Because yeah, that eval week was not good. I was definitely rushing it, and I think I actually did kind of change how I thought about it at least a little bit. Um, Thanks to someone in the comments, but I think before I was saying this like demo week, like first week of trading, I was saying like how being stuck up on evals for too long is not like too good because like you're spending like I don't know like a month on the eval and then you just end up blowing it, like you're just wasting time or whatnot. But I mean, I think looking at that like would make sense if maybe if you're a full time trader and have a lot of money already and you're in like this big profit, and that's kind of like how a business model works where you spend a lot of money like on evals, probably blowing them, and then use them to get return value. But like right now in this stage where I'm not like profitable yet, like consistently profitable, like the strategy I'm still working with, all that, I like to buy evals to try and pace like pass in one day, like that's just gonna like ruin my like net return. It's like it's kind of smart to think about. I mean, it makes sense, but if you're spending like if you're buying like 20 evals to get like a $1,000 payout, like that returns way less than just buying one eval to get that same $1,000 payout, even if like one would take longer. And then as I like scale up, or hopefully get to scale up and trade with a lot of evals and already have a big net like return, like have made a lot of money, then I think it wouldn't matter as much, especially if I am better with the strategy and whatnot. But I think I want to stay in demo for at least a bit, as long as I can get like maybe a month worth of good trades and net positive. I haven't been looking at trades in these situations, but I don't think I wanted to trade any of this. Oh wow, is this news? I mean at 8:48, probably not. It's probably a very volatile candle. I also do want to play around with like change it. Like right now I'm just doing 1-to-1 stop loss and like keeping it or whatnot. I do kind of want to play with like entering and then kind of like dragging my stop losses around. It's like as we kind of push into the positive, I can maybe bring it up to break even and just change the risk to rewards, or maybe like drag the take profit to like get bigger moves. Dang. Why are these super volatile? 50 point moves on 20 seconds. I was like looking at it to just like I was like, should I just enter? But it's literally like, I mean that's following the candle, but I think that it would be pretty obvious to enter. I mean, there's probably gonna be some volatile pullbacks, so it is kind of guessing if I just do that. But yeah, time's coming up. I mean, I just wanted to get back on the charts, try a little bit on demo. I mean, I took 3 winning trades and then lost one, so we're at 217. Not too much money, but like I mean, that's still fine. Like, I think positive on the day is just a good sign, and like 3 for 1 trades is pretty good. On top of that, I think it's just less money just because like I said, like I'm doing one like a micro, or I mean one mini for different sizes. So if I'm gonna be doing like 8, 10, it's gonna be way more than doing like 4 or 2 or something. But yeah, we at 850. I mean, we're just skyrocketing. I wonder what this is about. But yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. I might start trading past this 850 time, just to see, I could trade for longer and see like maybe are the later times better, or instead of just New York Open, maybe I can see like different times, just because like I think trading something like these very small movements could be pretty easy to do. And I feel like maybe an Asian, like you see this a lot in the Asia session, or like slower times instead of like this would be like a typical New York Open. It would probably be a little bit more directional, and all these big moves, which are also pretty nice to follow. But I guess I'll see. I have a lot of different things maybe I want to try just to see how it works and plays out. But yeah, guys, I'll be back posting every day, hopefully, and progressing how it goes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe later today if I decide to trade during other times. But all right, bye guys.